Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we will practice easy English for daily life.
Yes, we will learn simple phrases, real examples, and short conversations you can use every day.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. Just listen, repeat, and practice with us.
And if you enjoy this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share the podcast with your friends.
All right, let's start today's English practice lesson.
Today's topic is morning routine English.
This is very useful because everyone talks about their morning.
That's right. You can use these phrases at school, work, or with friends.
Okay, listeners, first, listen carefully.
Then discuss with us.
And after that, listen again and repeat.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Our first phrase is, I wake up at.
Very common and very useful.
Example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Or, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Now listen again. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Good. Now you try. Pause for a second and say your time.
Great job.
Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I like quiet mornings.
Nice. I wake up at 7 a.m. I need more sleep than Ronald.
That's true.
Next phrase, I brush my teeth.
Simple and important.
Example, I brush my teeth after I wake up.
Listen again. I brush my teeth after I wake up.
Now repeat with us. Both. I brush my teeth.
Excellent pronunciation.
You're improving already.
Next phrase, I take a shower.
Example, I take a shower in the morning.
Or, I take a quick shower before work.
Now listen carefully. I take a quick shower before work.
Good. What does quick mean?
Quick means fast.
Exactly. A quick shower, a quick breakfast, a quick walk.
Nice examples.
Now repeat, a quick breakfast.
Good job. Now let's talk about breakfast.
Our next phrase is, I eat breakfast.
Easy and useful. Example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Or, my quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds healthy.
I try my best.
Listeners, repeat after us. My quick breakfast is a banana.
One more time. Both. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Very nice.
Next phrase, I drink coffee.
Or tea.
True. Example, I drink coffee every morning.
I drink tea with breakfast.
Now listen again. I drink coffee every morning.
What about you, Ronald? Coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee.
Same here. I need coffee in the morning.
Many people do.
Now let's practice a short conversation. First, just listen.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning, Ronald. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do. And I eat toast for breakfast.
Nice.
Okay, everyone. Now listen again. This time, repeat after each sentence.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning, Ronald.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Excellent practice.
Now let's learn another useful phrase. I get ready for work.
Or, I get ready for school.
Example, I get ready for work at 8 a.m.
Listen again. I get ready for work at 8 a.m.
Good. Now repeat. Both. I get ready for work.
Perfect. Next phrase, I leave the house.
Example, I leave the house at 8:30.
Or, I leave the house with my brother.
Nice and simple.
Now repeat. I leave the house.
Great job, everyone. Now let's do a longer daily routine conversation. First, listen carefully.
Hi, Stephanie. How's your morning?
Pretty good. I wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit.
Healthy choice. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning. What about you?
I drink coffee and eat a banana. Then I get ready for work.
What time do you leave the house?
Around 8:30.
That's early.
Yes, but traffic is crazy sometimes.
Very true.
Okay, listeners, now let's practice vocabulary review.
We say the phrase, you repeat after us.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I get ready for work.
I leave the house.
Amazing work today, everyone.
Now let's practice speaking naturally. Stephanie, ask me some questions.
Okay, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
What time do you leave the house?
I leave the house at 8:30.
Excellent. Listeners, now answer the questions yourself.
Speak loudly and confidently.
Even simple English is powerful.
That's right. Small practice every day creates big improvement.
Before we finish, let's recap today's key phrases.
I wake up at.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I get ready for work.
I leave the house.
Wonderful job today, everyone.
You listened carefully, you practiced speaking, and you learned real English for daily life.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And remember, don't be afraid to speak English.
Confidence grows with practice.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what do you eat for breakfast?
We'd love to hear your answers.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing your English.